Action.
G'day, Peter here from Comfort Zone Insulation. I often get asked about getting access to tight places in your roof. You can see with this one here, this is pretty tight, but I'll crawl up in there. If I was going to do this job with bats, it'd be quite impossible because you've got to actually drag a pack of bats up through there and it'd be very, very difficult to get in. With the pump in cellulose fibre, I can crawl up there and pump it in, and we can get some extension hoses to get out to the edges. But doing it with bats would be quite impossible. So I'll just show you how like, it's not easy, certainly, but I'll jump in there, and we wear our masks while we're doing the job, so I'll put that on. Okay. There we go. So you can imagine trying to have bats in here at the same time, it'd be quite difficult.